Get into a car with value. 2025 Chevrolet Corvette. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Corvette, the street-legal track car with an aggressively powerful heart, racing spirit, and the sophistication sought after by serious driving enthusiasts. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, tires performance, V8 engine, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, active suspension. Live like you mean it. Drive like you've dreamed it. The Corvette.